This is the Lissome R1 Smart Dishwasher, a super compact, revolutionary dishwasher design, especially made for space-conscious living. With its ultra-slim 11 inches width, it fits perfectly into even the smallest kitchens, whether you're in a cozy apartment, a busy household, or on the road in your RV. Traditional dishwashers are very bulky and take forever to clean, but with the R1, this is a thing of the past. Thanks to their unique sweep jet technology, cleaning a full load just takes 15 minutes. It is powerful, it is efficient, and incredibly easy to use. Just plug it in, fill it up, and let it handle all the dirty work for you. It will add the detergent automatically. It even has UV sterilization integrated, as well as many other great features. And it brings a lot to the table, especially for the price point. Amazing value right there. So yeah, looks and sounds amazing, right? But is it actually that good? Well, let's find out. Got the new drip from Lissome, their brand new R1 Smart Dishwasher. By the way, if you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. The R1 is currently getting launched on Kickstarter, so don't miss out on all those great early bird offers. And with that said, let's check it out. So here we have the box, a beautiful design. So there we go. The rest of the box is empty. So let's remove the wrap just like that. So, and we have all the accessories in here. So let's get straight to it. So the tray with all sorts of padding material. Of course, this is just a prototype packaging. This is all subject to change. So the machine, and in here all the accessories. So check this out. We have the tubing for the wastewater, looks like this, and we also have a suction cup right there. Next we will also get this cup for filling up the dishwasher, and right there now we can actually open it up just like that. Brand on top, we have this, and also a scale right here. It's hard to see, but this goes up all the way to 2000 milliliters. Nice handle, and that's the bottom. Let's place it right there. Next we will also get this unfolding tray thingy right there, really nice. So you can fold it away, well, fold it up and store it. It's super flat like a pancake, doesn't take much space, but unfolded you will get a nice big tray for all sorts of things, fruits, vegetables, equipment for your baby, for example, you name it. So this thing right here is actually a wheel that came off right there, and it will snap on nicely. Oh, that's awesome actually. So while we're at it, we have the removable tray on rolls, 6 rolls in total, and all of that is adjustable. So we can take this, for example, this, we can unfold all of that. Really cool. So even though this is a super compact dishwasher, it's very practical. Tons of smaller plates, or put it all down, then you have space for bigger appliances. And also right here for your spoons, forks, knives. Awesome. And lastly, we of course also get a cable for the power outlet. Just a regular cable right there. Good to have. So yeah, tube, cup, cable, and the trays. Done with the unboxing, let's get to my first impressions, and then of course to a close overview. The thing that stands out immediately is the extremely slim design. And as you can tell, this device is wet, and that's because all of them will get tested before shipping out, of course. So that's perfectly normal. Really nice lid, wow. Really nice display, nice capacitive buttons, and we have side walls on all 3 sides. Great for watching the progress, also for, you know, entertainment purposes, I guess. All the outlets on the back, so yeah, pretty dope design all in all. So let's take a close look. The front with the 4 buttons, up, down, power and play. Nice screen in the middle, and the color scheme is white and gray. Looks really awesome, nice color combination. And this will unfold. We have the hinges, and on the tray itself we have this little cutout for portioning the detergent or the soap, you know, whatever cleaning solution you're using, and the rubber lid right there. When we take a look inside, we can see the rotating sprayers, one in the front and one in the back. And also right here we have the filter, and this is easily removable, great for cleaning. This will filter out all the big stuff so that it won't plug up the tube. And also on the front we have the branding right there. Looks really awesome, shiny silver letters. So let's move on to the side. As you already saw, nice big window. Other than that, right here we have the outlet for the steam, and this can be very hot, so be careful. The other side is basically the same. We have the same air outlet right there. And before we check out the back side, so first of all we have this handle, this cutout, so that we can easily open it up. Then we also have a little guide up here, and also the lid up here with yet another guide on it. And here we can fill it up. We have the detergent box, and we can, well, pull it out like this, looks like that. And we can open it up just like that as well, right on. Goes back in like that. And right here we have the min-max and closes up just like that. The back side is mostly blank. We have the air vent, the power plug and inlet, and for the wastewater, the outlet, and this is where we connect the tube. And lastly, let me show you the bottom. 4 nice large rubber feet, screws, so for opening it up, and also more holes on the bottom. And one last little detail that you can see right now pretty nicely is this LED lamp in here. Really cool. Really awesome design, I have to say. Not bad, right? So let's test it. Here we have it. The setup is super simple, easy and fast. We just need to connect the exhaust hose right there, and it's nice and long. We can route it to a sink or to a bucket, doesn't really matter. You can go fully portable with this one, especially if you bring a power station with you, for example. Then you can bring this for a camping trip as well, no problem. And secondly, of course, we need power. So let's move it to its place for now. We can easily route it to the sink, little suction cup, just like that. Let's also plug it in. And now look at that, absolutely beautiful. As you can see, my countertops are really low. But if you use a bucket, there are tons of other places where you can put it. As I said, it's totally portable. And we also have the possibility to connect a fresh water hose to it. But for this test, we will of course fill it up with the bucket. So let's do it right now. And we also have a screen looking beautiful, touch sensitive buttons. That's awesome, wow. So let's fill it up. We have a filter on top, and just like that, we can fill it up. Now look at that, the filter already did the trick. Let's remove this particle. And one more time. Almost there, check this out. Let's bring it right up. All right, that's perfect. To demonstrate the effectiveness of the jet streams, I won't even fill it up with detergent. Let's just go for a water-only test. But before we get to it, let's of course check out the operating system. On-off button, play pause button, and of course up and down. So we have the quick wash, we have the daily wash, power wash, smart wash for fruits and vegetables, and also eco wash, sanitize and dry. And here we have the settings. Let's check that out. So we have a water inlet. Here we can select between the tank, the tap, and in our case it's of course the tank. Let's go. Language settings right there. So that's great. English of course. We have the storage settings. Let's see, open, close, back. Detergent settings. Okay, let's click that on close. Storage, okay. And let's go back. So let's go for a quick wash. This will just take 15 minutes. It's super fast, but still incredibly powerful. As you can see. Oh, now you can also see the light looking absolutely beautiful. And it will light up when you open it up. So even when it's dark out, you can see everything that's inside. And as of now, I have everything up. And one thing that I even forgot to mention is that we not only have 2 rotating arms, but also these in the back right there. So this is going to be awesome. So without further ado, let's go. Quick wash. 15 minutes, temperature, and we are going. Look at that. It even has different lights, and I'm very sorry for the scenery right there, but of course this will get cleaned in no time. So we are currently draining, and now let's watch. So filling, check this out down here. So all these stages will get a separate color, yet another nice feature. So currently doing the filling. So there we go. Wow, look at that. Look at that. And there we go. That is looking very intense. Wow, that's awesome. So this will get this stuff off in no time. Wow, that is incredible. Just 15 minutes. And again, we have the temperature, we have the timer. That is just awesome to watch. Right there, let's pause. Instant transmission and resuming the job, no problem whatsoever. And as you can see, all areas get targeted. It looks crazy, and you can check it out from all 3 sides. So you can even monitor the cleaning prowess. And if you think it's already done in like 2 minutes, then you can stop it as well. But let's keep on watching. Wow, look at that. Wow, that is awesome. This is crazier than a car wash. Look at that. Absolutely epic. Look at that mechanism. That is awesome. Wow. And as you can see, the water streams, they will not only vary, but also the temperature is now at 65 degrees C. And every time it switches between modes, you can clearly see it by the short interruption of the light as well. And check it out. Draining. We have the first drainage right there. And of course I missed it, but so far everything works perfectly. I'm going for the second cycle. Next time I won't miss the drain. So this time, check it out. There we go. There's a draining cycle right there. And we are almost there. So there we go, sterilizing and drying. So that's the last step of the cycle, of the cleaning cycle. And what also just happened, if you noticed, the lid opened up on its own. So carefully, I will take a look inside, and that's the mechanism right there. It will poke it open, really cool, and closing up once more. It will slowly retract, and it's super warm in there, really awesome. So with that you will get virtually dry plates, and in the back is also doing the draining, looking amazingly promising, really awesome. And look at that. We're done! And just like that, all done. Look at that. Beautiful. Right, so great LEDs, love the RGB accent lights, but let's bring back the light and let's fill up the tray. As you can see, really nice rolls, large capacity. So let's go for a regular test. First of all, I have this plate right here, dried up egg yolk. This is very hard to get off, so I'm curious on how this will perform. And secondly, this is just dried up tomato sauce. We have the area for the forks, really nice. And there is so much more space, very, very spacious. But in any case, let's just go for a regular test, right? Smooth surfaces, great to clean up, nice, that's awesome. Again, super intuitive OS. When you start it and it's not filled up, it will immediately recognize that, give you the arrow right there. So of course, let's fill it up all the way to the line. Perfect, it will beep, very nice. And now let's start. And let's watch the full cycle. Let's go. All right, and there we go. This will for sure get off all the dirt. And let's also let it go through the drying and sterilization step. So let's wait for all of that to finish. And now check that out. Check out these awesome results. It is already looking perfect to me. Temperature is 70 degrees C. Just 2 minutes left. Draining. Very nice, very nice. All right. Now the lid will open up automatically, it will dry, it will sterilize everything that's inside. Right on, closing back up, just a few more minutes. All right, we're all done, so let's check it out. Oh, smells really clean, glass is still fogging up. So let's see. We have the forks looking perfect, still quite hot, but they are looking super clean. And let's check out the plate with the yolk on it. Wow, spotless and super dry as well. And the second one, oh, it's very hot. But as you can see, it's spotless and completely dry. And that's what the inner compartment looks like. Very clean, that's awesome. Perfect result, 10 out of 10. Super easy and intuitive to use. Just fill it up. Hit the play button and you will get perfect results. Massive thumbs up from my side. The Lissome R1 is awesome. So as you saw, it's a great concept, great build quality, great hardware. The setup was very fast, simple and easy, and just in a matter of minutes, you will get a fully fledged, hassle-free, comprehensive dishwashing system. Super small and compact, and also for an incredible price point. And lastly, let's recap the best features and benefits of the R1 in a comprehensive fashion. First of all, of course, the ultra slim and compact design. A width of just 11 inches, perfect for even the smallest kitchens, apartments, RVs, so no matter how small a space, this thing will fit into it. Secondly, the revolutionary sweep jet technology. This will clean a full load in just 15 minutes. We have 2 bottom rotating spray arms and 2 patented vertical spray arms that will leave everything inside spotless. It's powered by high-speed brushless motors and controlled by a proprietary FOC algorithm. 32 powerful water jets all in all, 45,000 PA for a thorough cleaning. And on top of that, we have number 3, a dual sterilization system. First of all, we have UVC light and UVC rays. They shred everything from bacteria to viruses to odors, you name it. This can also be automatically activated every 24 hours, and combined with the high temperature water and steam inside here, 160 degrees F, it will provide up to 7 days of a clean and sanitized storage. Number 4, it is eco-friendly and energy saving. It's designed with sustainability in mind and it uses way less water than traditional dishwashers. Number 5, we have many versatile cleaning modes, a variety of specialized washing modes. So whether you just need a quick rinse or a powerful wash, we have many specialized washing modes in here, so you will definitely find the right thing for your appliances. Number 6, we have a triple filtration system. With this, you're supposed to pre-clean the dishes and what have you, but just in case if you forget or don't want to do it, we also have great filters integrated that will reduce the risk of clogs. You can just take them out, rinse them, put it back in, good to go. And number 7, we have a reliable drainage system. It's a dual pump setup. We have a centrifugal and peristaltic drainage pump for a thorough water removal and also a seamlessly designed waterway that will reduce the chances of a leak to virtually zero. Number 8, as you saw, very easy operation. It's super easy to use, super intuitive, so there is no complex installation or anything like that required. Just plug it in and you can literally start using it right away. So it's perfect for anyone, renters, homeowners, kids, elderly people, very easy to use. And lastly, number 9, it is ideal for various lifestyles, whether it's for a new apartment or just for a super small apartment that can't fix a regular dishwasher, maybe for new parents, maybe for RV enthusiasts, or for outdoor adventurers. You can put it in your garden, tons and tons of possible scenarios, and it is especially perfect for those with a limited area, with limited square footage in their apartments. It is so small, it's so slim, and all in all, it virtually fits any occasion, and it can pretty much handle everything that fits inside, from fruits to vegetables to baby stuff to dishes to glasses, forks, knives, spoons, all of that good stuff. It has the newest tech, it even has AI features. So yeah, all in all, the Lissome R1 is definitely drippy. So check out the product links if you're interested. I will link the best deals for you. But before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one, and show you in. I will see you soon.